175 yards. Okay, little fella. You my friend? Or you my enemy? You are my friend, right? You are my ally. You are my associate, my personal assistant. You are my weapon. You are leaving.
Oh. Great shot.
Ooh, nice shot, Mr. Murray.
You can stop posing now. Good try.
Not bad. Not bad.
Something for y'all to shoot at.
You did good, Larry.
Do my best.
It's a good shot.
Yeah, I know. Mike, I gotta ask you something. The NBA has to face reality. What's happening to these players is serious. They're gonna need new players with talent, guys who are skilled but never really thought about a professional career before. You think I got a shot? Come on, really.
No.
Don't kid me.
Listen, it's a man's game. And you can't play.
What if I tried really hard?
Can you keep it down? I'm trying to hit this ball.
It's because I'm white, isn't it?
No. Larry's white, so what?
Larry's not white. Larry's clear.
Gotcha, Larry.
Oh, boy, that's nice.
Get inside of his ball.
Oh. You clowns can't beat that. It's the best shot I ever hit.
You haven't been playing long.
It's a Hall of Fame shot.
Nice shot, Mr. Larry.
Great shot, Larry.
You can do this. Don't be nervous. Don't be nervous. You can do this.
Larry, you feel that the NBA has to face reality, don't you? Just got to start looking for some more dominant players in places they never looked before.
Just look at the ball. Visualize the shot where you want it to go.
Right.
All right? Be the ball. Be the ball.
Get off the tee.
All right.
Can't jump.
Yeah, go on.
Close to the pin?
Close to the pin for
Yeah.
dinner?
Sounds good.
I'll go close to the pin.
Okay.
I'll take some of that.
That's not bad.
Good shot. Get down. Look at it. Look at that spin.
Come on.
It is alive!
My first hole-in-one. Yes.
Don't say it.
Larry, nothing but the bottom of the cup.
God, that's his ball.
Yeah. It's my ball. Sorry.
Wait. Let me
You
get a
guys are
picture of
just
this.
jealous.
All right, here we go. Now you're gonna smile. You reach in for the ball, and then you smile, okay?
Yes.
And you think this is good.
Just take the picture.
All right, okay.
What kind of camera is that?
It's just
Would you not point that at me, please, and close the lens
What are you
cap?
doing there? Just to...
Where'd he go?